So I have here a Percy Trackmaster 2 and I want to do something really different. I hope it's not complicated. So I pre-cut these stickers and they might not look really cool, but I'm trying to do something that can be done at home. Let me see. So the idea is to dress Percy as a, let me see, this one maybe a rainbow Percy, and probably it maybe works. See, yeah. It was close. I think it's close. Okay, so I'm not gonna edit this video. I'm just going to put it straight without cutting or editing the video, so you can watch the entire process without interruptions. And I don't know how much it's gonna take me. I'm trying to take my time because it's the first time I'm doing this. Okay, I think this one is fine, the other one not so good. Let me see. Yeah, and fit right in place. So I gotta adjust these stickers for the next wave. Where was I? Here is the problem. I think I cut something wrong here. That was not intended to come out like the way it came out. But anyways, I will keep finishing. I gotta finish it anyways until I get it done, to see what are the good and bad results. So let's see, something to poke this hole right there. There you go. Aha. And it's not done yet. Okay, here it is. Alright, so I gotta keep doing this. I gotta finish it. There you go. Okay, and now the last one is very skinny one. Not this one. It's the other one, or is this one? Let me see. Is it this one? Yes, probably. It's too. Okay. Oh come on, where is? I lost it. Right in there. It's too small. I mean, too skinny. Not bad. Now let's see if this one is perfect fit or no. I can improve something on the first sticker. So let me see. Oh, cool. Yes, so I think it's 98% ready. So if you guys are watching this video, probably you can go to the next rainbow custom video next day, not today, not this one. No. Okay, so I gotta get the other stickers to pick the wrong one. So there should be a link in the description if you want to buy the stickers, and we'll include the stickers for, let me see, for the cab and the boiler. See, it's almost perfect. Right now, if you're watching the video at the moment, I uploaded today. This has been fixed and should be a perfect fit. Oh, look at that, almost match. Cool. I think it came out really good, and you don't need to do anything else, just put the stickers. How cool. So this is only for Trackmaster to Percy right there. This was the first attempt, and like I say, the stickers, at the moment you buy it, this has to be fixed. It's just a quick little adjustment, just a tiny adjustment. So there, it's almost perfect. Wow, amazing. Okay, thanks for watching.